Hello and welcome to RGS Sign Up. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through how to register as an RGS user. When you have entered the RGS URL, you'll be taken to the RGS homepage. If you're not a registered user, you can sign up by clicking on this link or alternatively on Sign Up. This will launch the sign up form. Complete the form and submit it to the RGS administrator. If you're a WA Health employee, approval should be within the same working day. If you're located outside of WA Health, a referee check will be required, which may take longer. Ensure you have contacted your referee prior to completing the form so they know this will occur and that you have the correct contact details. All RGS forms have mandatory fields indicated by a red asterisk and tooltips. Hover your cursor over the information icon to reveal guidance to assist you in completing each field. As an RGS user, you will be required both a primary email and a password to log in. Choose a password that meets the requirements and that will be easily remembered. Next, select the role you'll be using RGS for. If you're a researcher or sponsor, select Research User and then confirm that this is correct. Then enter your details. This will be populated into your profile and throughout RGS. If you're GCP certified, you can upload a certificate against your profile. If you're not a WA Health employee, you will have to enter your details manually. Type in Find Address and then select the correct one to populate the address fields. Then enter the additional information. RGS login uses two-factor authentication by sending a security code. Select to which email address this should be sent. An alternate email, which is different from your primary, is required in case you cannot access your primary email to receive this code. Your alternate email and mobile will not be published in your public profile and are only viewable by the RGS administrator. Next, provide the contact details of your WA Health referee. Addresses for WA Health are populated into the system and can be selected. Once complete, select I am not a robot and enter the provided code in upper or lowercase. If this does not appear or you require new code, click the link. Then read and select the Terms of Use and Privacy policy, which will open in new windows. Once read, select and then click the Submit button. If you've entered the incorrect code, you'll get a character match error. Be mindful that it deletes your password and it will need to be re-entered. You'll need to get a new code and re-enter it and also click the terms before pressing Submit again. Upon submission, you'll receive an on-screen confirmation as well as an email. If you have any issues, contact RGS support. Once the RGS administrator has checked your credentials and approved your access, you'll receive a confirmation email. This will give you guidance on how to log into RGS. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have found it informative.